growth option or dividend option? Which is a better option to invest? And what is the comparison between a growth option and a dividend option? Our chief financial planner, Mr. Ramalingam, will give insights on this. Ramalingam, over to you.
Again, it depends upon what is your intent towards investing. If you are planning to invest based on appreciation concept, say I'm in the age group of 30, 40, I have long time to retire, I don't have any requirement to generate passive income from mutual funds, then in that case choosing growth option will be better. Your NAV will grow, NAV will compound. Compounding is the eighth wonder of the world. So why should we disturb compounding by getting dividends? So that way you can choose growth option if you are in the accumulation phase. If you are looking for better returns in the long run, choose growth option. You will have better compounding effect. Dividend option or withdrawing from your investments are for instant gratification. Delayed gratification is what more important. So your goal is accumulation for a long-term goal, then growth option is better. Second, choosing a dividend option. Now, dividend option, there is no time set for a dividend. Whether you will get regular monthly, quarterly, annual dividend, no. Mutual funds, they declare dividend on their own. Whenever they have surplus, whenever they have like a judgment to declare dividend, they do it. So there is no clear frequency by which you will be receiving dividend, and all dividends are straight away added to your income and you pay tax as per your slab. So that way, instead of choosing a dividend option, even if you are looking for regular income, go for growth option. Whenever you need money, you can withdraw through SWP. SWP can give you regular income. That way, in a debt fund, when you are doing SWP, tax efficiency will be there. Only to the extent you withdraw, you pay tax. And number two, in an equity fund, after 1 year, when you do SWP, it becomes long-term capital gain and you pay only 10% tax. If it is received as a dividend, same money in a dividend option, if you are receiving as a dividend, you have to add it to your income and you have to pay 30% tax. So between growth option, dividend option, growth option is better. Between dividend option and SWP, SWP is better.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.